welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're returning, welcome back. Without further ado, we're just gonna get straight into this video because I know when y'all watch a hair review, y'all just looking straight for the facts. So that's what I'm here to give y'all. As you can see, today we are talking about Kendra's Hair Boutique. Kendra's Boutique Hair. I always mess that up. Kendra's Boutique Hair is what we're talking about today. And I just wrote down a few things, so that's just how we're gonna go based off what I wrote on. So I want to let y'all know that this is an honest review. This was purchased with my own money. There was no communication between me and this company. You're getting the truth, okay? And like any other video I made, if you guys subscribe to me, you already know I'm only giving facts. So now that disclaimer is put into the atmosphere, let's just get straight into this hair. So I'm wearing the inches 20, 22, and 24, and it comes right here to me. I'll stand up real quick. This is where the lowest part comes, right at my hips in the front. And when it's in the back, I'll insert a picture. It comes right in the middle of my butt. The hair, I'll just get straight into, oh, how about I talk about like pricing and everything. So I have my little order form. And just so you guys know that I've created a video before on how I feel about this hair. So I'll also leave a card up there if you guys want to check it out. That hair compared to how I feel about this year's hair. So based on the card that I purchased, not the card that I purchased, the card that came with my purchase, I bought the 3-bundle deal, which initially you're gonna spend $320 if you get 3 regular length bundles. But starting, I think at the 22 inches, the money goes up on what you're gonna pay each. So I bought 22, 22, and 24 is what I told you guys. So on the 22 inches, I paid $10 extra, and then on 24 inches I paid $15 extra. So that made my price go up to $360, which included shipping, which is $15. And I did not pay for the you can expedite your shipping with them. I did in the past, and I can tell you guys that 100%, if you want to pay for that 2 to 3 day shipping, your hair is gonna come like literally 2 to 3 days, like regardless what day you put it in, is coming. Because I remember I was going back to school and I needed some hair, and I only ordered from this company and it came. So, but this is for people who are gonna order what I did this time, the regular 5-day shipping. It takes it took 4 days. Surprisingly, I thought it was gonna take 5 days, but it took 4 days, and it didn't include the weekend, of course, so it took 7 days. But through businesses, everybody knows you don't count the weekends. So it took 4 days. I think I ordered on a Friday and it came on a Thursday. So it was perfect. And I didn't need the hair in a rush. I just wanted a new hairstyle. So yeah, aside from all the pricing, let's get into the packaging. It comes in this nice satin bag with the drawstring. Just open it up a little bit just so you guys can see. Super cute, super protective. The hair, of course, comes in the little, it's like plastic things that the bundles come in. And then I'm gonna insert probably 1 or 2 videos of like what the actual quality of hair it's not a me video if I don't mess up. Quality of the hair, I'm gonna insert a video so you guys can see you know, like what it's like straight out of the packaging. Okay, so the reason I wanted to show you guys the hair straight out of the packaging is because, you know, once you get it in your hair and you do your own things with it, it can kind of you know, just be a different experience. Because I don't know what you guys, you know, prefer to do with your hair out of the packaging, but I know what I do. But this time I did decide I'm gonna put the hair in straight out. And usually I'm like, fuck no, like we're gonna co-wash. But I just wanted to see what the experience would be. And I'm telling y'all, this is literally curled hair, root to tip. Yep, root to tip. And it's literally not tingling like at all. Also, one thing I decided to do with this review, because on my last review, which got so many reviews on it, so of course that leads to people commenting their own opinions. One person commented, the hair does shed, I just want to say that. And I'm like, my hair didn't shed. I don't know what you were doing, but my hair personally didn't shed. So this time with this sew-in, I decided I'm gonna, instead of, you know, cleaning my brush every time I use it or whatever, like I typically like to do, I'm gonna keep the hair that from the time I get the sewing in to the time I make this video. So this is all the hair that has accumulated since I've been brushing it. I got this hair put in the day after it came. So it came on that Thursday, which was, I want to say it came on the 8th, like the 23rd. Oh, I don't know. I can't even, I'll look at the dates. It came on a Thursday and I got it put in on the Friday. So now it is August 29th. No, I'm lying. It's August 30th and I'm making this video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead real quick and take out the hair that was accumulated, like I said, since I got the sewing versus me making this video. And I'm actually gonna look at dates from the first day I got it to now and insert them. So this is it. You cannot tell me that you call this hair shedding when this is it. Your literal hair sheds every day about this much. So you telling me from a week that this hair sheds? Okay. I just don't consider that, but I don't know if that's what you guys consider shedding, but that's okay. So, ew, that was like aggressive. Ew. So that's point like 3. The hair does not shed is something that, if that's a major tick on your list, like, oh no, if the hair sheds, I'm not buying it, you don't have to worry about that with this hair. So I'm going to give you guys an in-depth look at the hair completely on my head because there's so many reviews, like you just don't know where to spend your money. It's literally $360 for this length. It's completely more if you go up in length, but I'm going to show you guys in depth, just so y'all feel a little bit better. I hope my video can help you guys feel a way when you decide if you want to purchase it or not. All right, so that was all curled hair and I just literally brushed it out like that. This is the ends, literally full. This is the hair compared to my hair. If you know anything about hair, you know that virgin hair is always going to be natural brown, and I do have natural brown hair. It's not black or anything. As you can see up against my shirt even, it's brown. So there's no chemical processing to this hair before you receive it or anything. So the luster on the hair is extremely shiny, and that's something I love too, because if your hair is like looking dry and dull, no one's gonna be like, oh, where's that from? Versus it looks amazing. So many people are like, ooh, where did you buy your hair? And now you look like a little influencer. Okay, so to reiterate, my biggest pros about the hair is that if you're looking for your hair to come on time, it always will come on time within the allotted time frame. It looks amazing once you get it on your head. It's beautiful. It does not shed. And it matches my hair because I'm not really into the closures and frontal things yet. Like, it hasn't been my thing. I put them on, of course, but I'm really into my leave out and, you know, just blending it like that. So that's one thing I love about this hair. It always blends to my hair. Yeah, and I just want to get straight into what I feel like was a big con that I just feel like. So my only con with this hair is that the bundles are so small. Like, I know the saying of like, the longer you go in hair, the smaller the bundle is going to be, but I'm going to show you guys like what the bundles actually look like, and that'll kind of help you decide how many bundle, like which bundle deal you're going to go with. Are you going to go with 2, 3, or 4, depending on what style, what length you're going for. My length, I told you I only got 3 bundles because it's just naturally, like, that's just something I always go with because I know what it looks like on me. But if you're someone who never purchased from here, it's kind of helpful to know what you're exactly getting. So of course I'm inserting what the wefts look like the size of the bundle, and I just hate that. Like, I just feel like it's like too small for someone who likes a full look. Like, if you're going for like that full look and you're already spending like minimum $320 on a three bundle deal, like, you're kind of gonna be upset. Like, that's the only thing I don't like. So I do recommend, if you're looking for a super full look, like you're not looking for something that's like straight here to here, I would get the 4 bundle deal because they're just so small. Aside from the bundles being a little petite, I'm gonna say that that's really my only con. If you wanted to know like what did I not like about the hair, that was the only thing, because I couldn't ask for more except that. Y'all get what I'm saying. Okay, so like I do on all of my videos, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the final rundown. What I'm trying to say is that I love the hair. I've always loved the hair. If you're looking for somebody to say, go ahead and buy the hair, you're hearing it from me, signing my name off, seal of approval, go ahead and order from KENDRA'S Hair Boutique. So all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, get this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.